Meaning of kernel.
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 Kernel. In computing, a kernel is the core component of an operating system. It is responsible for managing the system's resources, such as the CPU, memory, and input-output devices, and provides the basic services for other software running on the system. The kernel also acts as a bridge between the hardware and the software, providing a layer of abstraction that allows programs to interact with the hardware without needing to know the details of how it works. In essence, the kernel is the heart of the operating system and is responsible for controlling all of the system functions.